Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So today we are going to be making butternut squash and unripe plantain fufu. So we're going to be blending them together and using them to make fufu. You guys know my butternut squash fufu by now, but I am going to be adding plantain to it. Okay, first of all, I am going to cut all my vegetables. I'm going to cut the butternut squash and the plantain, and then we will start blending it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press on the bell icon to notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. So come on board, let's get started. I am done slicing my butternut squash and my plantain. I have some in the blender and I have some in the bowl. So we're going to start blending the whole thing now. So I'm going to add water and then I will cover. Guys, I am done blending the plantain and the butternut squash, so we're going to start cooking it. I'm going to put it on the stove and let the water in it dry out a bit before I start stirring it. So guys, this has been boiling now for 15 minutes. I forgot to mention at the beginning that this is my first time of actually making butternut squash and plantain fufu. What I have come to notice that if it's butternut squash, the water will dry completely and you will see that the butternut squash will become thicker, yeah? But with both of them together, the water is not becoming thicker, but it's becoming, I don't know how to explain it. It's like, if you know pap, it's becoming like pap, yeah? That's the way it's becoming. But now, because I have cooked it for 15 minutes now, now I'm going to start adding my oat flour to thicken it up. I've taken it out of the stove to do that because it's very bubbly on the stove, like it's splashing all over the place and it's burning my hand. Let me show you how it is. That's how it is. It's runny, okay? It is runny. If it's only butternut squash that I have cooked for this long, it will become thicker, but that is the way it is. So I'm going to start adding my oat flour in it. Taking it out of the stove, I like the consistency of it, so I'm going to start wrapping it up and leaving it to cool down. Basically, after I finish adding all my oat flour, I just put it back on the stove and I keep stirring it until it got to the consistency that I am happy with. That is the way it is. If you're not happy with this consistency, maybe keep stirring and add a few more handful of oat if you're not happy with this kind of consistency. So I am going to wrap it up now. So guys, this is our plantain and butternut squash fufu. It is ready now, and yes, we are going to go and start eating it. I am going to be eating it with oha soup. So guys, welcome back. We are done making our butternut squash and plantain fufu. So this is my first time of combining these two together. I hope it's going to turn out good. So let's pray guys and jump in. So I am eating with oha soup. I have oha soup recipe in my channel, so if you want to look that up to show you how I cook my oha soup, is the same method that I use in that video. That is the same method that I use in this one. So let's pray and dive in. So come and join me. Let's get started. Let's do what we know how to do best, guys. It is time to demolish like champions. It is time. Come and join me. Wash your hand and come and sit down on this table with me. Let's do it. So I left it for 10 to 15 minutes. Oh, it is good. So in this soup I have turkey gizzard, shaki, and some dry fish. Guys, run to the shop or wait until quarantine is over. Run to the shop, get butternut squash, get plantain. You have to try that. You have to try that butternut squash and plantain fufu. The best. The best. It's definitely going on my fufu book, and I'm definitely giving it a 10. It is the best fufu I have ever eaten. This is actually my first time combining both of them together, and I am going to be doing it more often. So yes, and the oha soup was juicy. Oha soup is always juicy, you know. As an Igbo girl, we love our traditional soup. It's always very juicy. And when you give it a try, send me a picture on Instagram. I want to see it. You guys know I'm on Instagram as Simply Is Natural. If you're not following me there, go and follow me. Your girl is on Instagram. If you try that fufu, or if you try any of the fufu that I have been trying lately, leave me a picture on Instagram. Let me see it, you know. I would like to see that, you know, you guys are trying it as well. Anyway, guys, I'll love you and leave you. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and give your girl a thumbs up, because it really means a lot to me in terms of growing my channel. Give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please subscribe. Press on that notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.